back to this tutorial on M1 January 2009. It's question 2. It says a small ball is projected vertically upward from ground level with speed of u meters per second. And it says that the ball takes 4 seconds to return to ground level. And the first question is, draw in the space below a velocity time graph to represent the motion of the ball during the first 4 seconds. And what I've done is done exactly that, because we know that it's projected with a speed of u meters per second. That's this bit here. At time 0, it's got u meters per second. The total time is 4 seconds. And that's, you can see where it finishes. And we know that both sides of it going up to maximum displacement and back down to ground level are exactly the same, apart from in opposite directions. Therefore, what we can say is that the speed when it's projected is going to be the same speed as when just before it hits the ground. So that's part A. Let's do part B. What it says is that the maximum height of the ball above the ground during the first 4 seconds is 19.6 meters. And it's asking us to find the value of u, so the initial velocity of the ball. Right. So what we know is that we know what our displacement is. It's going to be 19.6 meters. We know that our final velocity is going to be 0 meters per second. Initial is going to be u meters per second. Our acceleration due to gravity is going to be minus 9.8 ms to the minus 2, and our time is going to be 2 seconds. Now, the reason the time is 2 seconds is because we know that our total time is 4 seconds. Therefore, as both sides of it going to maximum displacement and coming back down is equal to 4 seconds, just going up to maximum height will be 2 seconds. With this equation, we can use the with these values, we can use the equation S equals ut plus half at squared. Well, S is 19.6, ut is going to be 2u because we're trying to find the value of u, and we're going to be plus, and that's going to be minus 4.9 because that's times 4. The minus 4.9 is because a half of minus 9.8 is 4.9, and 2 squared is 4. So there's our values. Now what we need to do is rearrange. And what we get is that we're going to get, if we add 4.9 times 4 to both sides of the equation, we get that 39.2. I'll just take it down here. 39.2 is going to equal 2u, and that's because 4.9 times 4 is 19.6, and then we take that to the other side. 19.6 plus 19.6 is going to be 39.2, and then obviously divide both sides by 2, and we get that u is 19.6. And we don't leave it with a unit because it's asking us for the value. Thank you for watching. Join us again in question 3.